Today, we're looking at a tiny piece of gold that might just change how we see infinity.
All right, here's the plan. We're starting with a tiny paradox and ending with some huge ideas.
So here's the big question, right? How can something be both finite and infinite? We're talking about a tiny cluster of 144 gold atoms. It's unbelievably small. And here's the weird part. It acts like two completely different things at once. How is that possible?
To crack this puzzle, scientists came up with something totally new, the theory of infinity.
Okay, first, imagine an endless ocean of every single possibility. They call this psi.
Then something called phi acts like a cookie cutter, giving that ocean some structure.
And that creates this super stable core, almost like a knot in reality itself.
And to top it all off, a protective shell, the golden set, forms right around it.
You put it all together and you get this beautiful mathematical sentence. Let's build it up.
So you start with infinity, add some rules, and boom, you get a stable system.
This is the magic recipe. You get tons of accessible states, but they stay perfectly organized.
Okay, that's the theory. But does it actually match what we see in the lab?
Well, when they measured its magnetic signature, one reading was just way off the charts.
Yeah, a G factor of 4.4, the expected value, it's supposed to be around 2.
And the theory says that's the fingerprint of the stable Carnot infinity core. So the core checks out, but get this, the shell leaves its own signature too.
They found this super regular pattern in the energy spectrum, spaced at about 100 millivolt.
Turns out, that's the outer shell vibrating. A perfect match for the golden set idea.
So it all fits together. This one framework explains both key pieces of evidence. Incredible.
You see, this is way bigger than just one gold particle. It's a whole new way of thinking. It really makes you wonder, right? What other huge mysteries could a golden knot unlock?